Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and along with Dory from Dory's Dollies, we do 3 challenges each month. One is for Dolls Gone Goth, Amaya Raine, which is Rainbow High Dolls, and Barbie. It's called Hi Barbie, you know, like the movie. And let me tell you what the themes are this month. Each month we upload at 10 o'clock Central. You can Google that to see what time it is in your area. When we all upload at one time, you're more likely to get more views because a lot of us, including myself, sit down at 10 o'clock when I can and watch video after video after video when we ask you to put in our comments that you have a video so that we can come see it. However, if you miss that deadline, put it up at any time. On February 16th is Dolls Gone Goth every month. And this month we're doing, February 16th, Love Hurts. Now I don't know what I'm doing yet, but I know I'm using these. And I got these at the Dollar Tree. Now am I making clothes or I don't know what, but I already have this turned inside out to work on it. Just an idea. Love hurts, however you interpret that. On February 18th at 10 a.m., we're doing Hi Barbie, and that one is, the theme is Sweethearts. Now, whether you make an outfit for your Barbie in heart print or fancy red or however you want to do it, or set her up with a Ken, it doesn't matter. You can find her a different lover if you want. Sweethearts. On March 3rd, that is March 3rd, we will have Amaya Raine again, and the theme for Amaya, with St. Patrick's Day coming up quickly, is gold and or rainbow. Now, any way you want to interpret our invitation is fine with us. We just want you to join in, have fun, get to know other doll collectors in the community. Thank you so much, Dory. Every month it's a fun and a joy. Please go by Dory's channel today and see the video that she put up. She may have more details than I have. You never know. She'll probably have dolls set up. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.